Hi everyone, this is Olivia from the Alexandrienne channel, the creator of the Art of Drawing Dangles. I am starting a series about the second book, which is tentatively going to be named Drawing Dangles Demystified. And I am going to go through most of the aspects of the book. Now in this video, which I am dividing up into two parts because of the length of the video, you will learn about lines, their basic form, and how to create them your own way. And we'll do this in part by taking the alphabet down to its simplest form, which is really exciting to me, and then how to build them up from there. Also learn about line types. So by the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of lines and be able to create your own unique letters exactly the way you want to. So let's get started with the first part, which is the deconstruction of the alphabet. This is going to be the short version where I speed everything up. That way, watching me deconstruct the alphabet will only take a couple of minutes. What I'm going to do is mark out everything that is a straight line, whether it's horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. After that, I'm going to mark out everything that is circular, or you could call it curvy, and then let's see what's left. So if you look and see here, the straight lines and the curvy lines, there is absolutely nothing left. What that means is you can reduce the entire alphabet down to ones and zeros, just like computer language, which is so crazy to me. That was my great discovery. Could not believe it. You might already have known this, but I didn't, and you would think that after all these years of working with this, I would have noticed. But yeah, anyway, so everything is made of a straight or a curved line in the alphabet. And just an experiment for you to try is try doing this very same thing with the lowercase and see what you get. I'll go ahead and tell you, I did it. I get the very same thing. So your straight lines will be masculine, and your circular lines or curvy lines will be feminine. So we've broken the entire alphabet down to straight or rounded or curvy, whichever you want to call it. And they're masculine for the straight, feminine for the curved, or they're a combination of those two, like in the letter J. So that was my great discovery. I was so excited. Now you don't need to do the lowercase experiment, but I think you should. It's fun and it's kind of eye-opening. The reason we went through this exercise was to show you that you can reduce the entire alphabet all the way down to two different types of lines. That's it. So it's totally up to you how you want to build it back up, how you want to create your letters. No hard and fast rules. It's just two lines that you can change any way you want to. I think that should give you a feeling of freedom and no stress. Just sit down with your pencil and paper and start using your imagination and creating. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something and enjoyed it. And I would like to say thank you to Lori Dobson and Maria Harkey for helping to make this video possible. Go have some fun with lines, and I'll talk to you again very soon with part 2 of lines and the alphabet. Bye.